हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बना रहे हैं मिसल पाव। उसको लगने वाले इंग्रेडिएंट्स: ब्लैक मस्टर्ड सीड्स, उसके बाद रेड चिली पाउडर, जिंजर गार्लिक चिली पेस्ट, कोरिएंडर फॉर गार्निशिंग, जैगरी एंड tamarind पेस्ट, मिसल मसाला, and this is roasted dry coconut powder. So this is pulses boiled in water, salt, turmeric powder, chopped tomato, onion, boiled potato, farsana, and pav. And now to the cooking process. Now we'll add around 10 to 12 tablespoons of oil. Then we'll add some black mustard seeds. And for that we'll have roasted coconut powder. This will be made of dry coconut. And to that we will add chopped onion and give it a stir for almost 5 to 6 minutes. Now time to add some ginger, garlic and chili paste, around 4 to 5 spoons. It depends on the quantity of people you're making for. After stirring for 2 to 3 minutes, once the oil starts oozing out, we'll add chopped tomatoes and we'll stir this again for like around 4 to 5 minutes. Now time to add some Misal masala, around 4 teaspoons. So we are making a quantity for almost 7 to 8 people. That's why the masala quantity is at a higher side. And let's give a stir for a minute. So then we'll add red chili powder. That's also depend upon how spicy you want. Let's give a good stir so that everything gets mixed well and the masala gets cooked. Now time to add the boiled pulses. Let's give it a nice stir so all the masalas and the spices are mixed well. After nicely stirring the masalas, now time to add some hot water. This is around 7 to 8 glasses. The reason of adding hot water is it immediately helps the recipe to give out its flavors and all the ingredients are mixed well. Now we'll add around 1.5 spoon of jaggery and tamarind sauce. This gives a sweet tangy taste to the misal. Now we'll stir it, and as we had added salt to the boiled pulses, so you have to take care about adding salt to the misal. So about 1 tablespoon of salt to the misal. Now it's time to leave it for around like 10 minutes so it can have a good taste to it. And meanwhile I made this hot oil, red chili powder, ginger garlic chili paste and give it a stir. And here's the plate ready after 10 minutes of boiling. So this is the base: curd, chopped onion, coriander, tomato, potato. That's called the cut, and the pav. So guys, the plate is ready, and now we'll add some farsana, and we are ready to go and enjoy the meal.